everyone. In this video, we are discuss about how to generate a random number. So let's start the video. In this video, we are generating the random number from 1 to 6 in like Ludo game. There is a dice. So firstly, I am writing here basic HTML code h1 generating random numbers h2 giving id name random dash al 0, and here is the option of show preview to show the preview of this page. You can download this show preview option. You want to download here extension. Here is the extension live preview. This is the extension to this show preview option. I am already installed. You can install this. So then I am creating here button random numbers. There is a button. When I click on the button, this is not showing anything. So I am here linking this JavaScript page. Script src index.js. Now this page is linked. We have to write here, let's random el equal to document dot get element by id name is random dash el. This is the name, random dash el. Then we have to create a function generate function. We have to give the button name on click generate. When I click, this is function. Let number equal to, this is a Math.floor. This is a function Math.random. We have to generate from 1 to 6 to multiply with 6. This number is generated from 0 to 6. To generate number from 1 to 6, we have to here add +1. And to show this on here, random dash el dot text content equal to number. Here we can see generate random number. So thanks for watching video. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.